In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the oil in your Toyota the easy way. Whether it's your first time or you just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the full process, step by step. First, make sure your engine is cool and the car is parked on level ground. Pop the hood and remove the oil cap. Then get under the car and locate the oil drain plug, usually on the bottom of the oil pan. Place a drain pan underneath, then use a socket wrench to loosen the plug and let the old oil drain completely. While it's draining, go ahead and replace the oil filter. Make sure to rub a little fresh oil on the gasket before screwing the new one on by hand. Once the oil's done draining, tighten the plug back in. Now pour in the correct amount and type of oil for your Toyota. Check your owner's manual if you're unsure. Start the engine, let it run for a minute, and check for any leaks. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more car maintenance how-tos. Thanks for watching.